There are rumors that this will be the next product launch for many big companies, as people have started complaining about fatigue from wearing AirPods all day. You can wait and pay hundreds of dollars for AirPods, or you can buy these headphones for $10 on the TikTok store. There is a reason they've sold nearly 500,000 units. First of all, the sound quality is perfect. Secondly, they're probably the most comfortable headphones I've ever worn. They are also IP for waterproof. I've worn them in the shower and spent an entire day in the rain with no issues. Plus, the battery life is pretty impressive. I haven't had to charge them since I bought them 2 weeks ago. If you like them too, and if they're still in stock, don't miss out on this discount.